Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 17th of April, 2020. It's 4:37 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour charts, my 12-hour high probability charts, and what I've done on them. The new candle, 12-hour candle, was at 4 p.m. local, so 37 minutes ago. It took me a while just to bring everything up to date. The spreadsheets are already up to date. You can find the link to the result spreadsheets in the description of the video. So let's go through it. There's a bit to go through. This is my watch list on the right, all the 12-hour pairs I'm trading. The ones highlighted in blue are the ones I've currently got trades on. The ones that aren't highlighted, no trades. And the ones in orange are the ones I'm going to discuss in this video. So I'm just going to quickly go through it. Most of you know the rules. Watch plenty of my videos. All right, we'll start with the Oz New Zealand. You can see my trades. I normally have a sequence of trades from top to bottom and left to right. If I'm talking too quick or you can't understand me, just feel free to pause the video or slow the speed down so you can understand me and so you can read the notes. So basically, I've just had a new sell up here, took a third sell for 0.12 at 157.37. So that's a sell. It's probably a high-risk standalone type trade because the MAs look like they're turning up. But the good thing is price is a long way from the MAs, which is not such a bad thing. So my overall break-even for all four trades is this yellow dotted line at 105.094, as you can see by my notes here. So so I took a sell, a second sell, hedged those two sells because price just shot up, protect my position. Now I've got a sell trade signal up here. In the meantime, the MACD Platinum, which is this bottom indicator, has been above the zero level the entire time, which is great. CAD Swiss, let's have a look. Probably stuffed up on a couple of these. What's going on? Don't know how to edit this video either, so we just have to be patient and wait. I'm in a hurry to go somewhere else, but thanks, TradingView. I can just jibber jabber while I'm here. Here we go. All right, so as again, you can read my notes. Bit of a mess here. I took a sell here. You can see the MACD Platinum's above the zero level. That's when I take sells. Took a sell, took a hedge buy, took a second sell. My break even was in this area here, but it just didn't push through, which I'd hoped it would. Now I've got a buy signal here, and it's just below the zero level. It's not an ideal setup, but I had to take the hedge buy, so that's a second hedge buy. And I've also started a second sequence on that same level. So this area here is two trades. A hedge for the first sequence at 0.06 and a second buy at 0.02. As I said, not a great setup, but it's got hidden bullish divergence. We're into the MAs. It's a higher risk trade, but as you can see, the trend is starting to turn up. So the structure says it's a buy. Overall break even for all trades is that level there. The first sequence is hedged at the moment. Right, the Euro-CAD is something very similar, so we'll get across to that, hopefully. Same sort of deal. Initially in a buy trade here, took a hedge sell, took a second buy, it went up, got into my profit target before the MACD Platinum got to the zero level and rolled over, so I missed out on the overall profit for that sequence. So now, similar to the CAD Swiss, I've got a sell and it's just above the zero level, not ideal, but I've got hidden bearish divergence, as you can see by the red trend lines. So I've taken a hedge sell and a second new sequence sell on the same candle. So two separate trades. So this hedges the whole sequence here, and this one starts a new sequence here. Overall break in, yellow dotted line. Similar sort of scenario. GP CAD, pound CAD. I was already in a buy here. This was a pretty crappy buy, but I managed to get a few pips. It shot up nicely, closed out for a few pips, stop in place in that buy. So that buy is now an independent trade with a stop in place. And now I've got a sell here at this level. So these are completely separate. Nice sort of double top or resistance area to take that sell. It's a probably high risk trade as we're going into the MAs. They look like they're starting to spread to the upside. And that's a 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 240 LMA. MACD Platinum's not that far above the zero level, a little bit ugly. Overall break even for both trades, keeping in mind this is only 0.01, this buy trade, and this is a full 0.02 on the sell trade. So overall break even is 176.169, which is above the current price, which is good because we're net negative 0.01. So as long as price stays below that yellow dotted line there, dashed line, I'll be staying profit for both trades combined. Okay, guys, that's it. Sorry, I was a bit rushed. I've got to be somewhere else about half an hour ago and had a bit of work on, including the 3 hour and 6 hour charts, or 6 hour charts especially. I missed a whole check it a few hours ago. So thanks for watching. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button, or at least hit the like button. And it's the weekend. This will be the last video. So hopefully this coronavirus, we'll see the back end of it. Hopefully, I don't know. Stay safe wherever you are, guys. Thanks for subscribing to the channel too and joining my Facebook group and my Telegram groups. Much appreciated. Cheers.